Well, good morning. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I'm doing a Prestige 2021 Mega Box. I want to say these are Target exclusives. Normally, I would walk into a Target and find these, and then I'd be able to pick, like say what I would think speaks to me as being the best box. And in most years and stuff, I actually would pull amazingly enough, a passport autograph. I think over the course of recent years, from 2012 to 2020, I've pulled 3 or 4, maybe even 5 different passport autographs. I know in 2019, I found a box and decided, what the heck, I'll pick it up. Because even though, like you see, it's just 4 packs a box, 10 cards in each pack, so just 40 cards, that I actually pulled a Kyler Murray on card passport auto. So I was like, okay, that was worth the money. So yeah, so this was purchased online through Target because, again, no card sales in local Targets for me anyway. I don't know about the rest of the country anymore because it seems like it's hit and miss as far as the ones that stopped selling cards versus the ones that still sell the cards. Because I still see constantly people posting pictures of, oh, I went and I got this at Target. And it's like, well, I'm glad for you. But in my Target, there's literally nothing. I mean, they don't even have NASCAR or anything. So yeah, so here's all the different things you can pull. And again, typical to Panini, no odds. Never, they're like Han Solo, never show me the odds. Or as he said, never tell me the odds. So yeah, here we go. We'll kind of mix it up. I don't know where the auto is, but if I do open the pack that has the auto in it, I'll probably set it aside. So again, this will be a short video. So we start off, Jonathan Taylor for the Colts, Bradley Chubb, Broncos, Brady, Bucks, Derek Carr, and that one's kind of weird. Even on the Brady, the foil is kind of not in the right spot, so it didn't fill in the text. Same thing with the Derek Carr. Elijah Mitchell. I want to say, what was that called again? There's a specific name for it here in these blasters. Hyper. So one of the hyper parallels. So rookie Elijah Mitchell. A numbered Kellen Mond for the Vikings. So our first numbered card, a youth movement. Chase Claypool. Of course, Chase was I want to say, wasn't he a Notre Dame? I don't think it would show on the back of there, but pretty sure he came from Notre Dame. Tamorrion Terry for the Seahawks. Kyle Trask rookie, and a Larry Roundtree. So we'll sleeve up this numbered card. And again, this purple Prestige Kellen Mond is numbered 134 of 149. So I want to say you get 2 numbered cards per these blasters, and oh, we got one of the Marvels, and we have a pink. So this one starts off with a Jeff Okudah, Stephon Diggs. Oh god, that one's completely horrible. Literally no name on it for David something. Bakhtiari. So yeah, more printing issues for Panini. And I had DeMarcus Lawrence, parallel, a Trey McKitty, and our second numbered /50, Rashawn Slater. Ooh, and that's a pretty good one to get. Heroes, Tom Brady. So far, not a bad box. The question will be is what will the auto match all these inserts and such. So then we got a Joe Tryon rookie, Chuba Hubbard, Christian Barmore, and then a Kid Reporter card. Next pack. So again, did I mix them up just perfect, or do I wind up having the auto in this pack that I have to set down? So this one starts off with a Joe Burrow, Larry Tunsil. Oh, and there's another one for Dalvin Cook. Yeah, and here's our auto, so again, we'll set it down. At least I'm pretty positive that's the autograph. So again, starting off this fourth pack, Khalil Mack, Ezekiel Elliott, Chris Carson with the screwed up foil. Our third numbered card, Larry Fitzgerald red. And this one's got the Chris Godwin. Oh, and another numbered card, Jamie Collins, 88 of 99. That's kind of a cool one. That almost reminds me of, what was it? It was one of the earlier Pro sets. Like 92 Pro set or something like that. Just the way the photography is on it. Zach Wilson. Imar Smith Marset for the Vikings, and a Kyle Pitts for the Falcons. So some good rookies. So sleeve up these two numbered cards. So I'd have to say in this box it's quite a plethora of numbered cards. Probably way more than you normally should get. So we got the Dalvin. Oh, and we got another numbered card. The Cortland Sutton to 249. So that's 163 of 249. And any given Sunday, Len Dawson. Back in Super Bowl 4? Yeah, I think that was Super Bowl 4. Doesn't tell you specifically, but I'm pretty certain that was Super Bowl 4. And Elijah Moore for the Jets rookie. J.C. Horn for the Panthers. Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. And our autograph. Oh, wait a minute, there's one more card. One more card. Hiding back here. A DJ Chark. So it's number 228 from Mississippi State. Kylan Hill. And he is a running back. So it's not a passport auto. Well, dropped it flat down. Not a passport. At least it's all on sticker. And it's not numbered, but at least it's a parallel auto. It's a blue extra point. So we'll sleeve up this final card and then we'll do a quick recap. So again, I don't know what the normal parallel count is, but it seems like I got quite a few here. Got the Cortland Sutton to 249 blue, Larry Fitzgerald to 299, 179 to 299 red. I guess you'd call it a gold. Yeah, I'm not sure what they really refer to that as because it's kind of like a gold wave or shimmer. 88 of 99. Jamie Collins for the Lions. Rashad Slater, pink, 24 of 50. Kellen Mond, 134 of 149 for the Vikings. And then our heroes, Tom Brady, HE5, TB12. And then the one autograph in the box was the Kylan Hill, running back for the Packers. So yeah, that concludes this quick little rip of Prestige 2021 Mega Box. Hope everybody has a great rest of your Sunday, and as always, keep collecting.